Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vik and I'm bringing you a very nice reading today. So, today's reading is a simple yes or no reading. Okay, it's going to be an angel message. So, if you need clarity on something or some situation in your life and you're ready to receive a direct yes or no, only then continue watching this reading. So all you need to do to receive your answer is first keep your situation in mind. Be very clear. It has to be one situation at a time, I would say. Or you can pick two situations and then pick two different crystals for them. But frankly, I would recommend that take this for one situation at a time, this reading. So you can choose the number one or the tiger's eye crystal, or you can choose the number two or the clear quartz crystal. So for those who have chosen the number one, I'm getting a very strong yes, like it's a yes with an exclamation mark. So I do feel that whatever question you have asked, like yes, this is the right thing for you, or you are on the right path, you are doing what is required of you. If you have asked about a certain person, then yes, this is the person for you. If you have asked about your love life or manifesting someone, then yes, this thing is coming your way, this person is coming your way. If this is about some career opportunity, about maybe your health getting better, then it's a yes for everything. Like this is a very positive card, a very strong card to get. I feel for people who have chosen this, a lot of good luck, a lot of abundance is coming your way, and I hope that you could relate to this message. I'm going to be moving on to number two, or the clear quartz crystal. So I'm just getting that not the right time. Okay, so this is not saying that this will not happen. The card is not saying like a no, but it's just saying that either you should not ask this question right now, or that you are not ready to receive the answer, or that this thing is not going to happen right away. It is not the right time to go after this, or this person maybe, or this opportunity, or this change. You need to sit with this feeling for some time. Like there are some blockages, like I don't know, for people who have chosen this number, I feel that some blockages are supposed to be cleared. Maybe some drama is happening around this situation. Some toxic people are there. It could be frankly your colleagues, your family members, friends, maybe complete strangers, but blockages need to be cleared. One thing I would suggest you to do is to do a cord cutting. Okay, like cut cords with people or with negative situations. You can even do it with a place. Cut cords with places that are not healthy, people that are not healthy for you, and then you might, this situation will improve in the coming time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this reading. Thank you so much for watching.